What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a key to a Jeep Wrangler using your Autel KM100. This is a 2017 model year. This procedure remains the same for pretty much every Jeep Wrangler up to about 2020 or so. This vehicle does not come equipped with remote, so if you are doing a vehicle with remote function, this process is the same, the key and remote program all in one. What we're going to do to get started is we're going to put our key tool over here, and right here we have our key to be programmed. I'm going to go ahead and take that into the ignition, turn the ignition on but not running. We'll notice here that our theft light is blinking, indicating that this car will not start until the key is programmed to the vehicle. So let's go over back to our key tool here. Got a couple options. We're going to go to our mobilizer menu, and you will need your VCI plugged in. We have that plugged into OBD. We can tell it's connected correctly and is also showing our battery level there. So I'm going to go ahead and do auto VIN search to see if that function will work. I'm going to go ahead and select a Jeep. We'll hit OK. It's asking if we have a learned key to turn ignition on. I have the unprogrammed key. I'm just going to hit OK anyway, see if that will work for me. '17 Wrangler. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Now it's going to automatically read our password. For those of you who don't know, for most Mopar vehicles, you will need a PIN code for the key programming. It's asking us to switch ignition off, then on again. We'll go back over here. Off, then on. Let's go ahead and hit OK on the key tool now. So there we go. It's going to give us our PIN code before we even have to hit any more buttons. PIN code is 8162. Should save it, but I'd recommend write that down somewhere. Take a photo. 8162 is our PIN. We'll hit OK. Now we can do a couple things here. We can go to control unit, hot function, immobilizer status scan. I'm going to go to control unit. We can read our password, which we got 8162. Go to immobilizer type. We got type 1 and type 2. I'm going to hit type 1. Now we've got a couple more options. Looks like our first option of key learning is what we want. We're going to go to new key learning. Current number of keys is 4. Turn the ignition off. Insert the key to be learned, turn ignition on. So we'll go ahead and, this is our key to be learned. We'll go ahead and turn that off and on one more time. Theft light is still blinking. Back to our key tool, we're going to go ahead and hit yes. So it's asking for our PIN code. It put it in there automatically for us, which is very helpful, 8162. It's going to ask you to make sure that that is correct so you don't lock up the car. There we go. Now we have a current number of keys 5. Learning successful. Do we want to learn another key? No, we don't. We're going to hit no. Make sure it backs out clear. And if we notice on our dash, we do not any longer have a theft light blinking, so this key should start up the vehicle. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Car is now running, theft light is now off. Well, there you have it. It's a very straightforward process. I hope this video helps. Thank you for your time.